Shenzhen Geerlepol Intelligent Technology Company Limited, established in 2019 and has 5 years of experience as a professional high-tech manufacturer. We focus on robot vacuum cleaner, electric cleaning brush, car vacuum cleaner, pet water fountain, electric bottle brush. We are located in Shenzhen with convenient transportation access. Dedicated to strict quality control and thoughtful customer service, our experienced staff members are always available to discuss your requirements and ensure full customer satisfaction. In order to supply good products and services, we have built a modern quality management system, which is in strict accordance with international standards. In recent years, our company has introduced a series of advanced equipments including 15 injection molding machines, 4 sets of ultrasonic machines and 3 sets of surface treatment oil injection lines. In addition, we have obtained CE, CCC, FCC, PSE, ISO 9001 certificates. Selling well in all cities and provinces around China, our products are also exported to clients in such countries and regions as USA, Canada, Europe, Australia, Japan. We also welcome OEM and ODM orders. Whether selecting a current product from our catalog or seeking engineering assistance for your application, you can talk to our customer service center about your sourcing requirements. We always aim at providing quality products with competitive prices for customers. Welcome to contact us. We are happy to serve you.